see it's the blockchain wallet. Okay, and we gotta find transaction first. Let me find transaction, Bitcoin live transaction. Okay, go to Google and search this, and then go to official website of blockchain and find a transaction. From here it must be under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, so let's see if we find near, or there are so small transactions, but yeah, let's see. They are very small. Yeah, that's it. That one is, I guess, good. It's 707 BTC and 0.00984400. Okay, we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, I'm scrolling up and down because of the number of amount showing on the screen. Okay, and then go to your wallet, right click, and again go to inspect. Wait for a few seconds to completely open that, and click to console, clear everything from here. And there's some warning: if you paste something here from unknown person, if it maybe take your access from your wallet and maybe take your money from the wallet. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet. Okay, and yeah, and clear everything from here. And yeah, this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about this. Right click, select all, right click your script, copy, and then paste your script here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We just need a hash ID, copy to clipboard, and then paste it over here. Click to OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here and just refresh the balance to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date. It's Sunday, 15th March 2026. Okay, and here's the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Let me scroll up and down because of the number of mark, and this transaction maybe take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see, maybe it will confirm right now during video, or maybe it will take, yeah, it's confirmed. It's 100% confirmed. It sometimes take maximum 1 hour to complete, but it's confirmed during the video. So yeah, this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe for more related videos. I own only this channel, although all channels are fake. Okay, so make sure you own this channel, although all fake. So take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you next one.